Hello, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make these earrings along with their ring. So first of all, have a look at the materials required. We need a glitter sheet as a base. We need a stone chain, also called nug chain, and ball chains in two colors. We also need two stones. I will use a light purple color. Then we need hobby knife, our simple paper cutter, and also hat pins, loop pins, and glue. So I have cut a piece of glitter sheet and I will use this stone. I will apply fabric glue or any other glue. You can use any strong glue and press it on the glitter sheet. Then again apply white glue and half round of golden ball chain. I am not using a full round to give it a different fancy new look. I'm using another color of ball chain, and then I will use again the golden one. So again a golden. So overall total 4 half rounds of ball chains are on the right side, and then on the left side I have pasted only one round of ball chain. Now take this stone chain and press it against the glitter sheet, having a full round, and after it completely dries, cut it neatly with the help of scissors. Now from this glitter sheet I will cut a piece of triangle, each of side 4 centimeter. So after cutting it, you should note that all these 3 sides should be each. There should not be any difference among these 3 sides. Now from the back side I will draw another triangle whose each side should be 1.5 centimeter and cut it with the help of hobby knife. If you don't have hobby knife, you can use a simple paper cutter. After cutting, detach this inner piece of triangle. So here is this piece, and we will use glue first on the innermost side. Cut a piece of stone chain or nug chain according to the length of each of the side, and then press it over the glue. Repeat the process for the rest of the 2 sides, and then let them dry for a minute or 2, then go towards the next round. So we will repeat the process and complete the second round, and similarly we will do a third round. So overall 3 rounds of stone chains are needed to complete this piece. Now we will join these two pieces. I have cut 2 more pieces in the shape of triangle and oval shape. Now we need a long loop pin and 2 smaller ones. Now take the first piece, which will be used as the upper part of the earring. Now glue it from the back side and we will paste a loop pin, this one, the longer one. Press it on this glue, let it dry. Now take another smaller size of loop pin, make a loop on the second end, and note that this loop is at right angle to the loop which is already on the first end. Okay, and now glue it. Note the position of the both the loops. The lower loop should be like this. Now apply glue on this back side whole piece and paste another small piece of glitter sheet. Note that from the front side there should not be any rough edging on the side. Okay, that's why I have cut a smaller piece. Now take this triangular piece, apply glue at one corner and take another loop pin, make a second loop as well and paste it here. Note the position of the loop. Here the loop is not at right angle, just like the first loop. Okay, and now paste this second triangular piece to make a fine back side. Here it is. Now I will open this loop and I will put the lower piece of the earring like this and then close this loop. So this is how you can connect the two pieces together. And now this is the last step where I will bend this pin to make a earring. So this is ready. Now, as I have already shown you how to make this triangular patch, now let's learn how to make ring from them. So I will need a jewelry wire and take a highlighter pen and bend it around the pen, give 2 rounds and then check the size of the finger. So it is okay. Now I will shape it according to that ring, that is the triangle shape. So this is how we can shape it. You can check it and according to that size you can turn the wire. Keep checking after every turn and after every measurement. Cut the extra wire and bend it a bit. Now you can check the size again and this is okay. Now I will use hot glue to paste this ring base on this triangular piece. press it well. Now I will use this other triangular piece. I will cut it from this one side to make a slit so that it can easily pass through the ring base. And now I will cut it from one side as well. You can see it has easily passed through this ring base. Now cut it from this side and make it free. Now apply glue and paste this piece. So this ring is ready. I hope you will like the tutorial, and if you do, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get free notifications of my coming videos. Give your comment below and also share the channel with your friends. And if you want to watch more videos on jewelry making, you can go to my playlist